Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make one of the easiest and most delicious snacks ever, egg chops. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside, and a perfect serve for family or friends with a hot cup of chai. I have got a pressure cooker here and I have placed 3 potatoes in it. Add just a pinch of salt. Let this boil for about 10 to 15 minutes till they get nice and soft. While that's happening, I'm boiling 2 eggs. About 12 minutes is perfect to get the yolk cooked properly. Now let's check on our potatoes. They look soft. You can also press with a fork to see if they are cooked well. Now let's peel them one by one. I'm going to mash these really well. Take your time here. Make it into a paste-like consistency. Make sure there are no big chunks. Now for some flavor, I have got 1 green chili here. I'm going to make a slit and chop it up nice and fine. If you like it spicier, you can add more. Next, 1 big onion. Dice it into tiny little pieces. This way it mixes well with the potato. Also chop 1 tomato into tiny cubes. It gives that nice texture along with the mash. And of course, a handful of fresh coriander leaves. This just improves the flavor. Let's spice things up. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder for color, 1 teaspoon chili powder for that heated spice, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and also a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Finally, about a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt or regular salt. Now mix everything together. Take your time. You can use your hands here because it really helps everything come together. And that's it. Our potato mixture is ready. Now that our eggs have cooled down, let's peel them. Slice each egg into 4 nice slices. Now for the coating, I'm making some fresh bread crumbs. Just a few slices of bread into the mixie and blitz. You will get this crumbly texture. That's exactly what we want. For the egg wash, crack an egg into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and beat it well. Now this is the main part. Grease your palms with a little oil. Take a ball of the potato mixture and flatten it out like this. Place 1 egg slice right in the center and gently cover it from all sides. Make sure there are no gaps. Take your time shaping it nicely and repeat for all the other egg slices. Trust me, this is a snack your guest will absolutely love. Now let's coat these. Dip each chop into the egg wash first. Then roll it in breadcrumbs. Use 1 hand for the egg wash and the other for the crumbs so it doesn't get messy. If you don't want to use eggs, you can also dip in corn flour slurry instead. And instead of breadcrumbs, you can use besan atta for the coating, also known as gram flour. Once coated, you can refrigerate these or freeze them for later. Freezing it makes it convenient to fry when you have sudden guests. Now let's fry. Heat oil in a pan. Keep the flame high. That's important because if the oil isn't hot, the outside coating can absorb too much oil and egg chops can get soggy. I'm placing the chops gently one by one. You can shallow fry like this or go for a deep fry. Fry till both sides are golden and crisp. Once done, place them on a tissue paper to drain any extra oil. And just look at these beauties, crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. The perfect egg chops. Serve them hot with spicy sauce or chutney and enjoy. So that's it, a quick and easy recipe with simple ingredients that you'll already have at home. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty recipes.